Hi guys, welcome back to Glam Unleashed and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply false lashes. If you know me, you know that I didn't learn how to put lashes on until a year ago, and I've been doing my makeup for like 5 or 6 years at this point. And so now that I've learned, I thought I would just share the wealth with you guys so that if there's anybody that's like I was and doesn't know how to apply false lashes but wants to apply false lashes, like this video is for you. It's for you, because I don't want anybody to be struggling how I was struggling, because I honestly think a good pair of lashes, whether big or small, long or short, whatever the case may be, whatever the style is, I believe that a great pair of lashes can take your look up to another level. And like, look, my face is a beat to the gods right now and I look great, but once I put these lashes on, it's just gonna take it up another level. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, definitely just keep on watching. All right, you guys. So in order to apply false lashes, you'll just need a few things. You'll need to start with a great pair of lashes, and I'm going to be using the Big OG lashes from Conceited Dollhouse Boutique. As you can see, they're not super dramatic, not very, I wouldn't say basic, but just a light little lash that you can wear when you want to pop some lashes on, but you don't want to go all out, you know what I'm saying? And so I picked these lashes for me today because, as you can see, I got some glitter and a cut crease and everything going on. So I don't want to take too much away from my eyeshadow with like some super like deluxe lashes. I just want to put something on so I can add a little pop of lash but not overtake the eyeshadow look. So you can shop for Conceited Dollhouse Boutique lashes on www.conceiteddollhouseboutique.com, and there is a variety of lashes that you can find. You can find like some not basic lashes, but some that aren't too much, but you know, not too heavy, not too long, anything like that. Just some nice and simple lashes. Or you can find like your big boy joints, like the Tiffany, I think, Conceited, Dynamic, things like that. You know, if that's your speed, then they got something for you. But if you need something a little more understated, they got something for you too. Also, be sure to follow them on Instagram at Conceited Dollhouse Boutique. But once you get some 5 lashes, the next thing you want to make sure you have is some lash glue. I personally enjoy using like bonding glue. For some reason, regular lash glue just does not work for me. So I just use some bonding glue like this, and I do have it open because I'm ready to go. But I don't like to squirt it out because sometimes like it gets caught in like the nozzle. So I like to use like a brush with like a skinny end like this on it, and I use that to put the glue on my lashes. So you can just find a utensil. You can use a Q-tip, you can use a toothpick, you can use whatever the case may be to just get a little bit and just put it on the lash, which I'll show y'all in just a second. You'll also need some tweezers or an eyelash applicator. I prefer to use tweezers. That's just my thing. But yeah, so lashes, lash glue or bonding glue, and tweezers. And an honorable mention is some eyeliner, because I find that when I don't wear eyeliner, it's a little bit more difficult for me to place my lashes down. And also when you're just starting out, I feel like black eyeliner, black lashes, black, you know, glue, if you're using bonding glue, like it gives you a little bit of wiggle room, you know, like in case you don't, you know, get it right there, you know, where it needs to be. And also it just serves as a guide as to where to place your lashes. But let's just get started. So I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to pick the lashes up off the tray. And so I'm going to grip the lashes with the tweezers like so. Boom, boom, boom. I'm just holding them like this, okay? I'm going to switch hands real quick, and I'm going to take the end of my brush, and I'm going to dip it in the glue. And you really, like, you only need a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And you just want to take it, and you want to just put it right there. And again, you don't want a whole lot, because you don't want to make a mess. Like, the more you use, the longer it'll take to dry. Like, and then the more glue you use on the front end, like, it'll take away like the number of times you can wear your lashes, because you can wear your lashes more than one, especially if they're a good pair of lashes. And let me tell you, the Conceited Dollhouse Boutique lashes are good lashes, so you can wear them more than once. So now that that's on there, I've allowed like a few seconds to pass by. before application, which sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But you don't, you know, unlike regular lash glue, you don't have to wait until it's tacky. It does help a little bit, or it can help a little bit, but I can place these down as soon as I put the glue on if I want to. But you can blow them in a little bit just to let it dry a little bit, so you're not just splattering glue all over your eye. And so you want to take the lash, holding it like this. This is what I do. And I'm gonna look down in my mirror because I don't want to mess up for y'all. So, and then you literally just place the lashes in the middle where you want them to be. Lay them down on the side. And lay them down on that side. Okay, and sometimes you may have to like relay them just to make sure that they're down, because you don't want your eyelashes to come off ever. Okay, and so that's just really it. Some people like to measure the lash to their eye before they place it down, but I pretty much can work with, you know, anything. No. But like I have a little bit of experience because I always wear lashes now. So I just know how to like, ooh, now if they're too long, I will trim them up a little bit. But your standard lashes are probably not going to be just too long for your eyes to start out with. The more you wear lashes, the more you'll be familiar with the look you're going for. And so some people prefer a shorter lash. Some people, like my girl Janae, she used to, when we were in high school and when we were in college, like early in the years, she used to like cut her lashes in threes and put them on one by one. You just got to do what you got to do. You just got to do what you got to do, because I couldn't even put on lashes and she made it work for her. And so that's just what you got to do. You got to make it work for you, just like everything else beauty related. You got to make it work for you. But so I'm going to get the other lash. It's already in my tweezers. I'm going to get a little bit more glue, and I'm just going to line it. And you really want to make sure that you get glue on the tips, because if there's any part that's going to come off, it's going to be the edges. So be sure that you don't want to put a whole lot of glue right there, but you want to make sure that there's glue there, because, you know, the corner of your eye, like, you know, it'll water and stuff, and you just want to be prepared for whatever the case may be. Okay, so now I'm just going to line it up with my eyeliner and place it down in the middle. Place it down right there. And place it down right there. And as you can see, when I placed it down in the middle, it really stuck all the way across already. And so sometimes that may happen, but you can never be too sure. You can never be too sure. All right, you guys. And so I do highly suggest wearing mascara before putting your lashes on as well, just to help your regular lashes blend with the false lashes. Especially if you wear eyeshadow, sometimes the fallout from the eyeshadow or your powder or whatever the case may be may get on your lashes. So you just want to make sure that your regular lashes aren't like orange underneath or whatever eyeshadow you're using. And then people that have lighter eyelashes, definitely put on mascara so that it'll blend with the darker eyelashes that you have, unless of course you have found some eyelashes that are the exact same color as your eye. All right, you guys, so that's really it. Putting on lashes is not hard at all. It's super simple. It just takes a little bit of practice, and it can be kind of a like psychedelic thing, you know, kind of like how people are afraid to like touch their eyeballs when they wear like contacts. It's kind of like the same thing. Most of the time people get intimidated by the fact that they're putting something so close to their eye, and your natural instinct is to protect your eyes at all time. Like, you need your eyes to see, you know. But once you get over that fear of touching your eye, like, you'll be fine. Once you figure out the type of lashes you like to wear, you know, whether you want bonding glue or lash glue, whether you want a eyelash applicator or tweezers, whatever the case may be, once you figure out all the products and tools that make you comfortable and what you want to look like and things like that, then you're ready to go. It does take practice, so I definitely don't expect you all to watch this video and be like, I can put on lashes now. Now, some of y'all might be able to do that. Some of y'all might not, and that's okay. Just turn the video on again or rewind it and watch it again and just practice. And I do advise you watch some other videos as well, because there may be some other techniques out there that work a little bit better for you. But, you know, all you got to do is give it a try. So, if you made it to the end of the video, you a real one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to check out my step-by-step eyebrow tutorial as well as other videos in my beauty playlist, because although I do update my routine frequently, I do think that my past videos are still a good place for people to start if you're wanting to start doing your makeup. And as always, if you have any suggestions or anything you want to see, just hit me up, you know, on social media. You can follow me on Twitter at Corey_Chanel_. You can find me on Snapchat, QueenMylin.08. You can find me on Instagram at Corey_Chanel_. You can find me on Facebook, Corey Chanel Mylin. And of course, you can add yourself into the or not add yourself into the group, but to like and follow the Glam Unleashed Facebook page. And definitely don't forget to check out www.glamunleashed.com. And I do have some things coming for y'all in the future. And hint, hint, this video could serve as like a little taste of what I have coming for y'all in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.